Today on Forbes, here's everything we know about Trump's financial ties to Saudi Arabia. On October 16, 2018, one day after parroting a claim from Saudi Arabia's king that he did not know what happened to murdered journalist Jamal Khashoggi, Donald Trump tweeted, quote, "For the record, I have no financial interests in Saudi Arabia, or Russia for that matter. Any suggestion that I have is just more fake news, of which there is plenty." Trump may not have had any interests in Saudi Arabia at the time, but he had done sporadic business with Saudi Arabia, offloading the Plaza Hotel to a Saudi prince in 1995 and selling a set of condos to the Saudi government in 2001. Trump's ties to the Arab nation grew stronger in the wake of the Khashoggi murder, however, especially after his first term in office ended. Since then, the president and his family struck at least 9 deals with Saudi investors, pushing millions into the president's golf properties, tens of millions into his licensing business, and billions into private equity funds, according to Forbes calculations. In 2024 alone, Trump and his extended family collected an estimated $50 million from deals connected to Saudi Arabia. All that money may help explain why Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, the man the U.S. intelligence community believes approved a plan to capture or kill Khashoggi, is expected to receive a warm welcome when he returns to the White House on Tuesday. The prince, who has said he did not order the murder, will surely want to focus on other matters. There's much to discuss: military equipment, oil supplies, peace negotiations, and, of course, money, the topic that has bound Donald Trump and Saudi Arabia for decades. Here are some key moments in the relationship's timeline. 1991. A mountain of casino-fueled debt crashes down on Trump, leading to a string of bankruptcies. Under pressure, the real estate mogul parts with some of his toys, including the Trump Princess yacht, which ends up in the hands of Saudi Prince Al-Walid bin Talal bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. 1995. Trump offloads the Plaza Hotel to Al-Walid as well, along with Singaporean billionaire Kwek Lang Beng, in a sale that values the property at $325 million, about $80 million less than the New York tycoon paid for it. 2001. Trump sells the entire 45th floor of Trump World Tower, with 5 apartments and a combined 10,000 square feet near the United Nations, to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for $12 million, according to an analysis of real estate records. At a campaign event in 2015, Trump says, quote, "Saudi Arabia, and I get along great with all of them, they buy apartments from me. Am I supposed to dislike them? I like them very much." August 2015. 2 months after launching his first presidential campaign, Donald Trump creates 8 new business entities, including THC Jeddah Hotel Manager LLC and DT Jeddah Technical Services Manager LLC. The naming conventions of those companies resemble other entities Trump uses with far-flung licensing and management deals, such as ones in Indonesia and Vancouver. Trump does not officially announce a project in Jeddah, but the existence of the companies suggests he may have been working on one during his 2016 campaign. October 26, 2016. The Trump International Hotel officially opens in Washington, D.C., guaranteeing the president an address on Pennsylvania Avenue regardless of whether he wins the election. The Saudi government quickly pays its respects, spending at least $270,000 there by the end of March 2017, $78,000 of it on catering. May 20th, 2017. Trump takes his first trip as president to Saudi Arabia instead of a traditional destination like Canada, Mexico, or the United Kingdom. Alongside a picture of King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud greeting him on the red carpet in front of Air Force One, the president tweets, quote, "Great to be in Riyadh." The next day, Trump touches a glowing orb alongside the king. A photo of the moment goes viral. 2021. Out of office, first son-in-law Jared Kushner opens a private equity shop named Affinity Partners. By 2024, Kushner secures capital commitments of $2 billion from the Saudi government's public investment fund, according to a letter from Ron Wyden, former chairman of the Senate's Committee on Finance. Those funds, committed through August 2026, come with a 1.25% management fee, suggesting the Saudis will pay Kushner's firm at least $125 million over 5 years, helping push Kushner's personal net worth north of $1 billion. For full coverage and to see the whole timeline, check out Dan Alexander's piece on forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.